Hey guys! Today we're talking about how to supercharge your savings goals using bonuses. If you've ever found yourself with a little extra cash from work bonuses, tax refunds, or even surprise gifts, this video is for you. First things first, let's set up separate savings accounts for each of your goals. Why? Because having dedicated accounts makes it easier to track progress and stay motivated. Trust me, seeing your travel fund grow separately from your emergency fund is incredibly satisfying. Start by listing out your goals. Maybe you want to save for a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund. Whatever it is, write it down. Next, open a separate savings account for each goal. Many banks offer fee-free accounts, so don't worry about hidden charges. Label each account clearly: vacation fund, new laptop, emergency savings. You get the idea. Now here's the fun part: using bonuses to boost these accounts. Whenever you get a bonus, divide it among your savings goals based on priority. For example, if your emergency fund needs a top-up, allocate a larger portion there. But don't forget to treat yourself. Set aside a small percentage for fun spending. After all, rewards are part of what makes saving enjoyable. Another tip: automate your transfers. Set up recurring transfers to your dedicated accounts right after payday. This way, you won't even miss the money. And here's a pro tip: some banks offer higher interest rates on specific savings accounts. Take advantage of these to make your money grow faster without any extra effort. To sum it up, separate your goals, use your bonuses wisely, and automate your savings. It's all about making your money work for you while keeping things simple and fun. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next video.